The coolest thing that I found so far is this USB drive that's stuck right here. So if you hang around till the end of the video, I'm gonna plug this into my burner laptop and see what's on it. Hello there, fellas and ladies. Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Today I'm gonna tackle the one job that I really do not want to do on this car, and that is the interior. If you watched the first video with this Crown Vic, I showed you how stained and how dirty this interior really is. And I actually attempted to begin this job yesterday. I wanted to start with the back seat, and I lifted the bottom cushion up, and what I found under the cushion is next level disgusting. So let me show you. So fellas, as you recall from the first video, there's a lot of staining here on this back seat, and you can see a lot of stains right here. And typically, you know, when you buy a used car, you don't really lift up the back seat to see what's underneath it. So I never do, but I haven't really noticed this portion until yesterday. But you know, how do you stain this? So clearly something was spilled in here, and I tried to lift this cushion up, and usually there are two hooks, one here, one there, that you have to press in to lift it up. And when I tried to lift it, it was already detached. So somebody has already been here before. And what you see, it's pretty gross. I don't want to touch it, you know. There is a pool of, let me see. Yeah, here you go. That's what's here. So I have no idea what this stuff is. It is still wet, so that leads me to believe it's not, you know, soda or anything like that. So this is I don't know if this is oil, or I just hope it's not a biohazard, because this is just disgusting. And you can't, you know, I was gonna do the, you know, spot cleaning and the, you know, wet vac, whatever, but this shit's not gonna come off with that. And I decided to just hose the entire back seat off. And if it gets ruined, it gets ruined, because you can't take these skins off. They're attached to the foam. On the front, you can remove the skins. They're like zippers here, and then there are a bunch of clips. But on the back, they're attached to the foam. So I'm just gonna hose the whole thing down, and then I'm gonna remove the entire interior, get this carpeting off, and I hope it didn't go all the way, you know, to the front. So, and then I'm just gonna hose the entire floorboard just like a Jeep, you know. So let's see what happens. Alrighty fellas, so let's see what we have here. This is our beautiful stain, and it's still wet. I have determined what this is. It smells like fish sauce or soy sauce or something along those lines. It's oil based. As you can see, it still hasn't dried out. We have used batteries here, bolts, pens, pistachios, markers. There's a flare over there. There's a bunch of money. This is the definition of dirty money right here. The coolest thing that I found so far is this USB drive that's stuck right here. So if you hang around till the end of the video, I'm gonna plug this into my burner laptop and see what's on it. But other than that, I mean, it's just disgusting in here. The seat belts, the bottom of the seat belts is soaked in the sauce, and I've spent a lot of time washing the seats and they still smell like fish sauce. So I'm probably gonna leave them on the sun for a couple days, see if that smell goes away. So let's get to work. So fellas, this is what the interior looks like after I cleaned it all up. Everything is dried up and nice and clean. That stuff stained the paint. It was pretty bad. The back seat cleaned up really nice. There's no more stains. There are a couple of stains left on the back portion, but you know, they're cleanable. However, there's a big problem that I have. Now that I poked the bear, so to speak, the upholstery, even though the back seat upholstery, even though it cleaned up, now it stinks. It smells like fish sauce, soy sauce, whatever the fuck that shit was, and I just can't get the smell off. And you know, to be honest with you, I don't want to spend any more time on this because my time is valuable. So my goal now is to find a parts car and swap the interior, because you know, cleaning this, soaking this, taking all that shit off, it's just way too much time and effort, and I'm just not willing to do that. So I need to find a parts car and swap the interior, swap the seat belts and carpeting and all that stuff. So ask and you shall receive. Copart and their garbage to the rescue.
New bidder. Bonus time.
Well, fellas, if you think that the $1,500 winning bid is all I paid for that parts car, then think again. Copart has some of the most outrageous fees for auctions that I have ever seen. Next week, I will show you the parts car. It has actually arrived, and I will show you my invoice, what it actually cost me to the penny to get this car here to South Florida. So stick around for that video. Now, let's see what's on that flash drive. Well, fellas, here's the flash drive that I recovered from the retired police car, and as you can see, there's still, it says Angie on it, but there's like yellow staining from that sauce that was in the car. I cleaned this up, so let's plug it in and see what's on it. That's pretty interesting. Now let's see what this one is. Oh, wow. Holy. Wow, that's pretty cool. Wow, this is... So what you're seeing here is... So fellas, unfortunately, I can't show you what's on the zip drive. I had to blur out the screen and bleep out what I said because every document on the zip drive contains a warning. I can't legally show you what's on the zip drive because all the documents that are on it are actually exempt from public disclosure. So there's a warning on each of the files, and let me show you what it says. So pursuant to Florida statutes, you know, all the documentation that's here is exempt from public record and I can't legally show it to you, I can get in trouble. So there's some cool stuff on there, but it's only for me to see and for you to never find out. I'm really sorry about this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, like, share. Thanks. Bye.